Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of class 10th chapter 4 carbon and its compound. So let's start. First, dash a gas used for artificial ripening of fruit, ethene and ethane. Second, dash is the process by which hydrogen converts अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड टू सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड। ऐसी प्रोसेस कि जिसमें हाइड्रोजन के थ्रू अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट होता हो उसको कहते हैं हम हाइड्रोजिनेशन। थर्ड, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कि ऐसी प्रोसेस जिसमें वाटर रिमूव होता हो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में उसको कहते हैं हम डिहाइड्रेशन। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ मैनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर इन द आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट ऑफ कार्बन? ए 2, बी 3, सी 1, डी 4। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी 4। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, which of this is true for most of organic compound? Option A, high melting and boiling point. Option B, low melting point but high boiling point. Option C, high melting point but low boiling point. Option D, low melting and high boiling. The right answer is option B, low melting point but high boiling point. Sixth question, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स आर मेनली कंपोस्ट ऑफ विच ऑफ दिस कि हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं वो किसके मेनली बने हुए होते हैं? ऑप्शन ए, हाइड्रोजन कार्बन एंड नाइट्रोजन। ऑप्शन बी, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन। ऑप्शन सी, हाइड्रोजन। ऑप्शन डी, हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन। द राइट आंसर इज हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन, ऑप्शन बी। Seventh question, C3H8 belongs to the homologous series of option A, alkynes, option B, alkenes, option C, alkanes, option D, cycloalkanes. The right answer is option C, alkanes. Eighth question, the IUPAC name of CH3, 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 CH2, CH3 is option A, 2-ethyl 2-methyl propane, option B, 2,2-dimethyl butane, option C, 1,1,1 triethyl propane, option D, 2,2-methyl butane. The right answer is option B, 2,2-dimethyl butane. Ninth question, the number of isomers of pentane is option A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 4, option D, 5. The right answer is option B, 3. Name the functional group present in CH3CO CH3. Option A, alcohol. Option B, carboxylic acid. Option C, ketone. Option D, aldehyde. The right answer is option C, ketone. 11th question, a hydrocarbon has 4 carbon atom. Give its molecular formula if it is an alkene. Option A, C4H10. Option B, C4H8. Option C, C4H6. Option D, C4H4. The right answer is option B, C4H8. 12th question, give the IUPAC name of CH3, COO, C2, H6. First, option A, ethyl ethanoic acid. Option B, butanoate. Option C, ethyl ethanoate. Option D, ethyl methyl carboxylic acid. The right answer is option A, ethyl ethanoic acid. 13th question, in diamond each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atom to form option A, a hexagonal array. Option B, a rigid 3-dimensional structure. Option C, a structure in the shape of a football. Option D, a structure of a ring. The right answer is a rigid 3-dimensional structure. 14th question, A soap molecule has a option A hydrophobic head and hydrophobic tail, option B hydrophobic head and hydrophilic tail, option C hydrophilic head and hydrophilic tail, option D hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. The right answer is option D hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. 15th question. CHO represent the functional group of option A ester, option B carboxylic acid, option C alcohol, option D aldehyde. The right answer is option D aldehyde. 16th question. The ionic part of synthetic detergent is option A SO3 minus Na plus, option B COO minus Na plus, option C COO minus H plus, option D COO minus CH3 plus. The right answer is option A SO3 minus Na plus. 17th question. Which of the following statement about graphite and diamond is true? Option A, they have the same crystal structure. Option B, they have the same degree of hardness. Option C, they have the same electrical conductivity. Option D, they undergo the same chemical reaction. The right answer is option D, they undergo the same chemical reaction. 18th question. The number of covalent bond in C4H10 is option A 10, option B 8, option C 13, option D 12. The right answer is option C 13. 19th question. Carbon exists in the atmosphere in the form of option A carbon monoxide only, option B carbon monoxide in traces and carbon dioxide, option C carbon dioxide only, option D coal. The right answer is option B carbon monoxide in traces and carbon dioxide. 20th question. A molecule of ammonia NH3 has option A only single bond, option B only double bond, option C only triple bond, option D 2 double bond and 1 single bond. The right answer is option A only single bond. 21st question. Buckminster fullerenes is an allotropic form of option A silver, option B lead, option C carbon, option D tin. The right answer is option C carbon. 22nd question. Which of the following is the correct representation of electron dot structure of nitrogen? Option D. 23rd question. Carbon exists in the form of option A only carbon monoxide, option B carbon monoxide in traces and carbon dioxide, option C carbon dioxide only, option D coal. The right answer is option B carbon monoxide in traces and carbon dioxide. Graphite is used as a lubricant in machine because option A it is a good conductor of electricity, option B it has high melting point and slippery layers, option C its density ranges from 1.9 to 2.3 gram per centimeter cube, option D it is a strong and soft. The right answer is option B it has a high melting point and slippery layers. 25th question. Which of the following is not considered as crystalline allotrope of carbon? Option A coal, option B diamond, option C graphite, option D fullerenes. The right answer is option A coal. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.